need everyone to scream, shout, "Arr!" and yo-ho-ho, and other such piratical things. You wave your hats in the air, you wave your t-shirts in the air, you wave your weapons in the air. Come on, get excited! Yeah! Barbosa, please put the weapon away. Alright, mate, there's something wrong here. There is something very, very wrong.
Captain!
What?
I've got something to tell you.
What?
It's to do with these new COVID regulations. You see, they came in, they gave us a phone call just a minute ago, told us we're not allowed to fire our real cannons anymore. So they put in these fake ones. I come downstairs, press some buttons, we get lots of noise, and it's all fake, really.
They're not happy about that, buddy.
No, I know. I'll tell you what, though. Once we get into the harbour, I'll go online and I'll order us some new real cannons.
Yay! Where are you going to get them from, buddy?
www.amazon.co.uk.
Hey!
Good old Amazon, they provide everything.
They really do. Get Amazon Prime, buddy. We need them for tomorrow. Okay, then. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you look over the front of the ship, you're going to realise we're about to re-enter the Ayanapa Harbour, which means our day has sadly come to an end. I know it's so sad, but our day does have to come to an end at some point. And I do have a few announcements and a few thank yous at the end of the day, so please pay attention. First of all, if you arrive by bus or by transfer, which I think you all have, they will be waiting for you in the exact same place that they dropped you off in. And as you are departing the ship, make sure to be wearing your masks, okay? We do not want to see anyone get a fine. And also, for some of you, it might make you look a bit better. But don't need a joke, I love you really. Oh, you guys are amazing. Now, Anne Bonny does have a very important
Yes, you see, we are very poorly paid pirates. I know. So as you are departing the ships, our Captain Sparrow will be standing with a small treasure chest. Please feel free to pop something inside. All donations are welcome. We accept gold teeth, credit cards, jewellery, iPhones, phone numbers. But you know, cold hard cash does work the best. We appreciate your appreciation. Every tiny little bit really does help. Thank you.
Alright then, moving on to the thank yous at the end of the day. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for all of the Black Pearl crew who are working behind the scenes. That goes to our bar staff, our chef McLady, the pirate lady, and our deck hands. Right, now I do have a confession to make. I am not the true captain aboard the Black Pearl. No, the true captain is up there in the wheelhouse. He's been sailing us through these lovely seas all day. Please put your hands together for the one, the only Captain Lucas! Thank you very, very much, Captain.
Also would like to say DJ Espigar!
There. Alright, okay. You got me confused. Now moving on to my pirate crew. Up here on the riggings, please put your hands together for the one, the only, Anne Bonny!
Thank you!
Alright then, down here to the main deck, right next to the wheel there. The sleaziest sleaze of the seven seas. Put your hands together for the one and only Captain Hector Barbosa!
Thank you guys, thank you, you're amazing.
And of course we have got one more person to thank. The day would not have been the same without him. Ladies and gentlemen, Please put your hands together for the one and only Captain Jack Sparrow!
Thank you. See you next year. Smile. See you in the bus. Halo, pangit yun. Meron kami na kay Captain, nagpicture kami kay Captain. Meron kami kanina.